All right, this past week we have been working on our planter because we are going to be planting in the next week or so. The company that we grew the cauliflower and broccoli for wanted us to grow bok choy for them, so we're going to be putting in 100,000 plants, I believe. They're already in the nursery and they're going to be ready in about a week, so that's why we have been working on our planter. Because the melons and watermelons, we plant them at 18 inches, so this was a spike for the melon and watermelons, and this is the other point, so that's 18 inches apart. We've had to add a lot more spikes to the wheel, so now these spikes are now at 6-inch spacing. And for the bok choy, we use another wheel, so it's going to be a double row on the beds of bok choy. That other wheel is going to sit over here to the right, and that one's going to be pushed over a little bit more. A couple days ago, we also picked up a new truck to haul our tractors and equipment to the other properties that we are going to be farming on, since we are no longer farming anything on this property we're at right now, and it takes a little too much time to drive the tractors to the properties with the other equipment, because the tractors only go about 15-20 miles an hour, and people start to get very impatient. So we got a new truck to haul it. We also got the hitch installed in the bed for a gooseneck, which we also just bought a trailer as well to go with this truck. It'll be ready in a few days. They are installing a winch on it in case we have to move our forklift over there to obviously load up pallets of our fruit when we're harvesting. We got 2 new little pups at our ranch. When we went to go pick up our seeds, the guy said someone had dumped these pups off in their yard and they couldn't take care of them, so we took them. And so now we have 2 new pups. We got Mabel and we have Luna. I haven't shown this much in our past videos, but this right here is all asparagus that we have had planted for a few years now, but it just got diffed this past week, and it should start obviously coming up in the next month or so. Definitely going to start showing you guys some more of this, of how it looks, because we have green and purple asparagus right here. I am at our other ranch where we planted our broccoli and cauliflower over here. This is the other section that they had pulled out their grapes. We haven't planted on this yet, but we will. To be able to irrigate our plants over here, we're gonna have to dig a trench and connect to this irrigation line and run it into 2 different spots over here, which is gonna equal about, I believe, 900 feet of irrigation pipe that we're gonna have to dig a trench for to be able to get water to this section of the field. And my dad is over there plowing right now. Obviously he's been doing all the plowing and disking. Since my surgery, I haven't been able to be on the tractor because of the recovery. Here is all the irrigation pipe that we already got. We just need to dig the trench for it to be able to put it in. You can see all of the grape roots that are still left in the ground. He's obviously ripping them all up from the plow. When he gets to the end, all the roots are coming up. So we are more than likely going to have to walk through this field, pick up all these roots, or at least as much as we can, and any stakes that may be left in the field.